at Being the Change LLC. Hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving and have a great Thanksgiving holiday and holiday leading up. And we want to prepare you for 2023. Adriane Mays here with Being the Change LLC, and Enyka Gaines and I want to set you up for success as an entrepreneur entering into the new year to make sure you're most profitable and have the most profitable online business ideas to be able to excel your business to the next step. So wanted to kind of address Being the Change LLC, that my mortgage company, I'm still a mortgage broker, and moving into a mortgage consulting role where, again, I will consult out regarding the mortgages, partner with the company 𝗠𝗓𝗏 to be able to help clients out with credit. So for planning, they have a monthly charge, but they actually help you with the step-by-step to get your credit to prepare you for getting a home. We have different resources like power, that's a solar company that will help you in regards to your home electricity prices. So we have some partnerships set up, and that's what I'm setting up with the eco-affiliate system to be able to have Enyka and I spread ourselves in several ways to be able to provide more value for you as an entrepreneur, a person, a tax client, or what have you. So tax season is coming up soon, and I know Enyka is getting ready to get her schedule underway and her price list, and that will be available here soon. In that, we'll have tax strategies in December, so please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel at High Ticket Affiliate Marketing. And let me just go ahead and go to it so you can take a look there. And the goal of that YouTube station or channel is to show entrepreneurs and action takers how to use the eco-affiliate stacking system to achieve wealth creation, financial, and time freedom. I've partnered up with Daniel Chou and Jonathan Montoya over the last few months in this low-ticket, high-ticket affiliate marketing journey. And setting up the eco-affiliate stack has been something I've been trying to do for Being the Change for years. And having a blueprint and roadmap to be able to take it to the next level, I'm putting myself in Being the Change in training so that we can actually provide these opportunities. And these opportunities are provided to you as well. So going through the actual affiliate marketing process, there is a link that's included here in the email. They'll take you to adrianemays.com/FB. And let me show you what that page looks like here. And you'll have bonuses if you want to work with me in the journey to go through high ticket affiliate marketing with this actual course. So it's a step-by-step, click-by-click program where you can take control of leaving your 9-to-5 job or your commission income or anything to create income and taking advantage of the $5 trillion available online. So again, it's www.adrianemays.com/FB, and I'll make sure that I have that written out for you. And you would select the yellow button, any of the yellow buttons here on the tab, to allow you to take you to the Freedom Breakthrough course. I'm not going to go into more detail about the Freedom Breakthrough course, as on my YouTube channel, I have a full passive income lifestyle YouTube video for you, and I'll have a link up to that in the email as well. But the bonus here is enough for me, right? And so in that, we'll have the opportunities for you to be able to get you to the next step if that's something you would like to do. So again, going through these bonuses, I'll put that link here in the email. The Eco Affiliate Marketing Stack, again, is good for any business owner and setting up, as an entrepreneur to be able to do the things that you love. If you need additional resources, there's so many free resources that you can take advantage of, or there's some actual affiliate links that you may have to pay as well, but we do not receive any commissions from you directly. It comes from the company. So that's how affiliate marketing works. You're literally doing things you already do online, but you're providing that information tailored to that company, doing the marketing for them. So that way they don't have to pay for ads. They don't have to pay for marketing. They pay you as an affiliate. So check out cccelevate.com. Again, it has Ethos Life Insurance. Even Gucci is on there. It's an affiliate program. Expedia. Canva is a good program when you're trying to create. Booking your travel for the winter holiday months. You have booking.com that provides the discounts. So all in all, you have resources all in one place, and I'm going to continually expand this out to be able to provide. So if you're looking for certain things and you call, I'll direct you to the resource page, and there you'll be able to provide that information. I'm also partnering with, in regards to insurance here, Ethos. If you want to get your own life insurance quote right away, all you will have to do is go literally to 𝗠cie𝘀𝗦𝗣𝗢.com, scroll down just like you saw I did there, and click on Start Your Life Quote Now. Life insurance, life is not promised, okay? So always going to be about that life, and want to make sure that you have at least basic life insurance coverage. In your business, you want to make sure you have key person insurance coverage or what have you, but you want to make sure the basics are covered. We actually partnered as well with Marty Woods, who is going to assist us with financial insurance if you have rollovers with IRAs, because Adriane's only one person and we want to do quality over quantity. Enyka and I want to expand your ideas and mental for the upcoming tax season so you can create that passive income, live that lifestyle, save for that down payment for the house. There are different things you can do online that's outside of your 9-to-5 job. If you put in consistency and maybe 1 to 2 hours per day, that you can actually accomplish the dream lifestyle that you're looking for. So hopefully I've answered some questions for you. I wanted to kind of bring you up to date with Being the Change LLC. And in the future, what this eco-affiliate marketing stack and being a part of the Freedom Breakthrough course, what that's going to do for you as well as being the change in all of our businesses, it's going to be able to allow us to reach more people, help more people, as well as give them the resources for the people that they're looking for. So there's a process, and we're definitely in training to learn, and of course invite you to do so as well. So the links are in the email. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in my YouTube, our Facebook, our social media. All of that is included here on the 𝗠cie𝘀𝗦𝗣𝗢.com page. Make your holidays amazing. Thank you again for the opportunity and being the change in the community.